Subject Play to Learn. Topic Clay Work. Standard First. Expert Teacher Ansari Hafsa Firdaus. Welcome you all. Today we are going to see clay work. So you can make use of clay also, but in this video I am going to show you a new method of making a play dough which can be made at home. So here you can see the material that is used to make a play dough. Okay, here I have taken wheat flour, salt, water and food color, so it will be non-toxic, safe to play. So 4 teaspoons of wheat flour I have taken. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. So already I have taken 1 teaspoon that we are going to mix with this. Now as per your requirement you are going to add water. Okay, pour little water so that it will form a smooth dough and mix it well. Here you can see you can mix it like this also. If you need, you can add more water to it. Okay, you can make use of your hand also to make it smooth. So here the dough is ready. We can keep it for 5 minutes. Now you can see I have made parts of the dough. Now we are going to add red color, green, like this to the dough. So put 1 pinch of colors. Okay, that much will be enough to make it colored. So here you can see I have done with it. Red, green, yellow, blue, orange and purple. So let's start mixing it. Okay, so here it is a bit messy, but we can enjoy it. So here I have mixed it. You have to mix it hard so that it will form smooth and it will look colored. Okay, when I was a small child I used to do it a lot. So here you can see the colors are applied to my hand also, but you need to wash your hands again and again. Okay, after mixing each color, so that the color will not spread to other colors. So this is yellow one and here blue. You can mix the blue in this way also. The blue color is also sticky, which is sticking to my hands, but still it is okay. As we are making play dough, we have to do some messy works also, right children? Yes. So mix it well. This is a red color, so we have done with it. Okay, you have to make it more smooth. So now we are going to see which colors are these. Red color, green color, yellow color, orange, blue and purple. Okay, the colors might differ, but it looks very colorful. So now we are going to keep it in a box so that it will not get dried. Now let's start our work. Different shapes. Now we are going to make different shapes with the help of different objects. So here we have taken red color. Make use of roller pin to spread it, as I am showing you in this video. Okay, now you can take any object to trace a shape. So here you can see how I have taken one cap and made one circle. Okay, so here circle we have made, CIRCLE, circle. Okay, because it is round in shape. So same way you are going to make a circle. So this is a circle, so we are going to keep it aside. Now we are going to make another shape with this green color dough. Okay, again spread it with the help of rolling pin. I have taken a block to make one shape. Can you guess which shape I have made? Rectangle. Yes, correct. It's an rectangle. Now this shape is a square. Now another shape we are going to make, that you are going to guess what I have made. Okay children, this I have taken. It's a pizza. Kids used to play with it. So I have pressed it hard and taken out the extra clay, and here you can see the shape. Can you guess which shape is this? Yes, it's in rectangle. No, right, it's a triangle. Now, orange color we have taken. Make use of rolling pin to spread it. And here what I have a fish. So again I am pressing the fish to make the clay in a fish shape. Yes, here you can see. Let's see, right? We can see the shape of a fish. Yes. You can make eyes also of the fish. So here again we are going to keep it aside. Let's see what we have made. Circle, rectangle, square, triangle and fish. Yes, these are the different shapes. Molds shape. Okay, here you can see I have taken 4 molds. Okay, whatever you are having at home you can take that also. Yes, again make use of rolling pin. In the same color we are going to make different types of shapes with the help of molds. Okay, so spread it nicely like your mother used to do in the kitchen. So this I have taken. Okay, this is a tortoise. The shape is like a tortoise. So here I have pressed it like this, and here it is ready. You can see it is same as the shape of the mold, right? See this one. Now this is the shape of an elephant. Press it nicely so that our elephant will look like a real elephant. Okay, here it is ready. See, this is the elephant. Its trunk is also visible to us, and this is the mold that we have used. Again, now we are going to make a pizza with it. Yes, you all like pizzas? So this is the pizza shape that we have made. See, you can see it is looking same. You can garnish it to make it real pizza. So here I have taken orange color, roll it, and here press it hard to make a fish with the help of this mold. Okay, you all might have different shaped toys, so you can make use of it to make different shapes and everything. Okay, see, this is our fish. So what we have made? Tortoise, pizza, elephant and fish. Okay, here you can see tortoise, pizza, elephant, fish. These 4 things we have made with the help of molds. Now we are going to see motor skills. Motor skills means hand movements. Without any mold we can make anything. So let's see it. Okay, you can make use of your both hands to roll the Play-Doh and cut it with the knife. Any shape you can cut. We are cutting this to make small circles from it, and we will see what new we are going to make with this. So are you ready, kids? Yes. Just roll it on your hands. Make a circle. Okay, no matter it is perfect or not. Our hands motor skills are developed with this. Okay, you can see my hands and finger movements. Yes, so we have made a small balls of this Play-Doh. Can you guess what we are going to make with this? It's so exciting to make different things from this. Right, children? Even when I was small, I used to love this. See, arrange it in this manner, okay? In a line you can arrange it, in a curve way. Anyways, okay? So here you can see what we have made. We have made a caterpillar, right? Here are the eyes. These are the antennas of caterpillars, right? And now we are going to make a small eye. It's ready. So what we made? Caterpillar. See, you have to apply the same method that we have used for caterpillar, and now I am arranging these balls in such a way that it will form a seasonal fruit that is available in the market today also. So which fruit is this? See, it's a messy work, okay? We enjoy it, so you don't need to be perfect in this. See what we have made? We have made grapes. Yes? Wow, our grapes are ready. It's look delicious. Now I have taken red color Play-Doh. With the help of rolling pin, I am spreading it. Now we are going to make something new, something different. So here I have taken one cap. Press it nicely to take out circle from this. So here we have done with one circle. Same way we are going to do another. Press it more nicely. Again one more. This is the third one is ready. Two more we needed, okay? So we are going to see what new we are making. See, this is the fourth one and the last one is remaining. Yes, this is the fifth one that we have made from this Play-Doh. Okay, children? Now another color Play-Doh I am going to take. So it's a yellow color Play-Doh. Again I am rolling it and I will cut it into a circle. So here you can see the circle is ready. Let's make something new. So here you are going to keep it in the middle. Then here one circle, another circle you have to place. Oh, can you guess what you have made? We have made a flower. Yes, you can see the petals have been arranged. We have arranged the petals of the flowers. Now we will take green color Play-Doh and we will make it stem. See, this way we can make it stem. Now what else we can make with the green color? Yes, children, you are right. We will try to make a leaf. So this way you have to make a leaf. You can use a small knife, toy knife, scale, or anything which is available at your home to draw lines like a leaf on it. So here we have attached the leaf also. Isn't it looking beautiful? Yes, it is looking beautiful. So let's see what we have made. We have made a flower. Its petals we have made, leaves we have made, and stem we have made. Now children, we can make one more flower with the help of flower mold. Okay? So just again we are going to roll the Play-Doh with the help of rolling pin. Then I have this mirror, a toy mirror, which I am going to press it like this. Okay, it is this way we are going to press it. And the extra remaining part we are going to remove it out. In this way you are going to remove it slowly. See, this is the flower. The remaining extra Play-Doh we can remove it with the help of toy knife. Yes? So this is our flower with the help of flower mold we have made. Okay? This way you can make it. So now we are going to make fruits. Even different types of fruits you can make with the help of Play-Doh. See, this is a fruit. It is looking like a strawberry. And this one, we have taken yellow color Play-Doh. These are the grapes. Okay? You can make cherries also with the help of this by using red color Play-Doh. Now we can add leaves to it, green color leaves. Okay, so it will look more beautiful. So this we are going to keep it aside. Okay, so you can see so many things we can make with the help of Play-Doh. If you are having more ideas, you can use it to make it more nicely. Now we have taken another color Play-Doh. Spread it nicely, and with the help of fruit mold we are going to cut it. Okay, this you can use to cut it off. With this you can make strawberries also with the red color Play-Doh, lemon also, or apricot with the orange color Play-Doh. It depends on you. Okay, so here we are going to make leaves for this. This way also you can make the leaves by making small balls and then pressing it on a clean surface with your fingers and placing it on the fruit that you have made. Okay, so see, this way our one more fruit is ready. Yes, you all are enjoying it. So lovely things we can make with the help of this Play-Doh. This also we are going to keep it aside. Fruits and vegetables. Now we are going to see how to make fruits and vegetables without the help of molds. Just by our motor skills, by our hand skills, we can make fruits. So here I am making an apple. So you can see I have made a small ball with a hole in between, and in this way we can make a leaf for this fruit. Okay, so what we have made an apple. Yeah, good. You can see so beautiful the apple is looking. So we'll keep it here. Now next fruit, what we can make? We have so many colors. So here I have taken a purple color clay and I am going to make a ball of it. Okay, so roll it on your hands with the help of your palms, make it smooth, and this way I have kept it here. So now I have taken a green color Play-Doh. This is too dark, this one we are going to take. So this way I am rolling it on the surface, okay, like we have done with the caterpillar. Now after this you have to cut it with the help of a knife or a scale. Okay, this way you can cut it. The shapes might differ, okay, it can be a small size or big size, no matter. Make it small balls of it. Like this you can make with the help of your fingers or with the help of your palm. So this way you have to continue doing it one by one. Okay? We love to do this. When you will start playing with this, you will enjoy it. So like this we have done, and you have to carry on till it's over. Okay, so we have made several small balls. Now you can guess what we are going to do with the small balls. One fruit already we have made, that's an apple. Now which fruit we are going to make? This way you are going to place the small balls on the top of a big purple color ball. Okay, you are going to cover this purple color with the help of green color. Press it nicely so that the purple color is not visible. Completely we have to cover this with the help of these green small balls that we have made just now. Then you are going to get what fruit we have made from this. And I hope you all are going to try this at your home. See, downside also we have to cover it. Few more clay balls we are going to need it. Okay, see, so again we are going to make small balls and place it there where the purple color is visible. Right. Two more balls needed. Yes. So here you can see we have completely covered that purple ball with the help of these small balls. And you can see which fruit we have made. For this we are going to make one more leaf. See, we have made a custard apple. And we are going to place this leaf on the custard apple. In this way. You can make a small stem also on the top of the leaf. See, so beautiful the custard apple is looking. We are going to keep it here. Now next thing we are going to see the custard apple. It's looking so beautiful. This is a tomato with the help of red and green Play-Doh. Now we are going to take purple color Play-Doh and we are going to give a shape of a brinjal. Okay, brinjal is a vegetable. So here we are placing the green color leaf on the top of brinjal. So you can see we can make fruits and vegetables also, like apple, custard apple, tomato and brinjal. Okay, you can make use of others Play-Doh also for making anything that you like. So here we are going to make peas. Okay, so press it with the rolling pin to give it a shape like this. You can make use of a pen also or a pencil also, and make small balls like peas. Okay, you have seen a piece, so same way we can make it. So you can see the peas are ready. It looks so yummy. So we'll keep it aside. Peas are ready. Apple, custard apple, tomato and brinjal we have made. See, I have just zoomed it so that you can see. Peas, apple, custard apple, tomato, brinjal. So these are the fruits and vegetables that we have learned today. Now we are going to see objects imprints. Here we can take few objects to imprint anything. You can make use of a coin or anything that is available at your home. Okay, so here I am rolling it with the help of rolling pin. Again, you have to do in this way. Yes, form it a smooth surface. Yes, here it is ready. Now what we are going to use? We are going to use a key. See, this key I am placing it and pressing it hard so that the key design, the key prints will form on it. Okay, see, here you can see the print of a key is formed. Now this is a comb that we use to comb our hairs. Again press it nicely so that the design of the comb is formed accurately, and slowly take it out with the help of your fingers. So see, the comb is also visible to us. You can see the teeth design of the comb also. This is a spoon. You can press it to imprint its design. Okay, in this way. Now what else we can use? This pizza design. I'm imprinting it. Okay, pressing it hard on the Play-Doh and pulling it out. You can see the imprint also. Whatever designs was made on it, it is formed there. So key, imprints we have taken, comb design we have taken, spoon and pizza. So it is looking like this. You can have a keen look on it. Okay, now we can see the names of it, what we have made. Key, comb, pizza and smooth. Now the last one is ice cream candies, that we all love this in the summer season, right? It's so mouth watering. Now see here, I have taken one Play-Doh. It is of blue color. Just roll it nicely. We are going to cut it off the shape of a candy. Okay, you can make ice cream also. So here I have cut it down, and the extra part from the left side I have cut it. Now from right side, this way, take it out and make it slightly curved, as we used to see. This is a candy stick. Place it on the candy stick. Okay, so now we are going to make it colorful. I have taken red color Play-Doh and cutting it into a strip to make this colorful. So you are going to place the strip like this and cut the extra Play-Doh. This way we have did it. can take green color, roll it nicely and cut one strip from it to place it on the red color. So we are placing it above the red color. So you can see this way. Okay. Now which color we can place? We are going to place yellow color. See, this is a yellow color. Roll it nicely on a clean surface. Cut it with the help of a knife. Place it above the green color. Okay. Now I have taken orange color. Okay, in the camera view the colors might look different, but it is an orange color. Okay, so this way I have placed the orange color on the top. And now one more color we are going to place it. So we'll take blue color, Play-Doh. Here you can see the ice cream candy is looking delicious. I'm awaiting to have it. So this one I have placed it on the top. See here the candy is looking yummy. Do you want to lick it?
So many colors in one candy.
So you can also try this candy at your home and enjoy a summer. So students, what we have learned today, how to make Play-Doh. Colors we have seen, different types of colors, different shapes we have made with the help of Play-Doh, fruits and vegetables, molds shape, objects imprints, and we have made the most yummy ice cream candy. So did you enjoy my lessons? Yes. So your homework is you are going to make different fruits or vegetables that you like. Okay? Do like, share and comment how you have made it. Did you enjoy it or not? BMC Edu English Standard First. Subscribe it. Thanks for watching, children.